Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is at the C locus in horses, chestnuts, sorrels are homozygous dominant, palominas are heterozygous, and cremellas are homozygous recessive. In a herd of 10 horses, there are 3 chestnuts, 6 palominas, and 1 cremella. What are the gene and genotypic frequencies at the C locus in this herd? Actually, the correct way to ask would be not the gene frequency, but allelic frequencies, because we have only one gene here at locus C and 2 alleles, dominant and recessive. So how we are going to solve this problem? Let's start with the second part of this question, and let's find genotypic frequencies. So we have 3 genotypes: homozygous dominant, heterozygous genotype, and homozygous recessive. Now let's find how many belong to the homozygous dominant genotype, and we have 3 chestnuts, 3, and we have 6 palominias, which are heterozygous, so we put 6 here, and 1 cremella, so belong to the homozygous recessive genotype. And total number of horses are 10, so we can add these 3 numbers and we are going to get 10. So what is the frequency of the homozygous dominant genotype? We have to divide this number by total number of animals, and the answer is going to be 0.3. And frequency of those that are heterozygous and chestnut color would be 6 divided by total number of animals, 0.6. So 0.6 is going to be frequency of the heterozygous genotype, and frequency of the cremella would be 1 divided by 10, and we are going to get frequency 0.1. And take a look, if we add all these 3 frequencies, we are going to get 1. So 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 0.1, and we are going to get 1. And in our calculations, 1 equal to 100%. If you need an answer in percentage form, you just have to multiply each number by 100, and you are going to get an answer in percentage form. So 0.3 multiplied by 100 is going to be 30%, and this is going to be frequency of the homozygous dominant genotype. 0.6 multiplied by 100 is going to be 60%, and this is going to be frequency of the heterozygous genotype. And 0.1 multiplied by 100 is going to be 10, and this is going to be 10% frequency of the homozygous recessive genotype. And again, 30% plus 60% plus 10% would give us 100%. So let's add these numbers here. And if we add all these frequencies in percentage form, we are going to get 100%. So we have found genotypic frequencies, and now we have to find allelic frequencies. And this is also very easy to do. Heterozygous genotype consists of 2 alleles, dominant allele C and recessive allele C. So we have to combine basically these alleles in order to find their frequency. Now take a look. Heterozygous genotype represents 60%, and it consists of 2 alleles. So half of this number would be dominant allele and half would be recessive allele. So basically we just have to add half of this number, which is going to be 30% here, and another half of this number, which is going to be again 30%, we have to add here. So what we are going to get? Here we are going to get 30 plus 30 is going to be 60%, and here 10 plus 30 is going to be 40%. If you need an answer on the scale between 0 and 1, our answer is going to be 0.6, and 0.4. Again, if we add these frequencies, we are going to get 100% or 1. 1 on the scale between 0 and 1 equals to 100%. So we have found an answer to the first question: what are the allelic frequencies? And the allelic frequencies of the dominant allele C is going to be 0.6 or 60%, and frequency of the recessive allele C is going to be 0.4 or 40%. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.